In front of me is Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and choosing Connected Devices. Now you need to select Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the chosen one, in my case this Galaxy, and wait for the pop-up. Now you need to select Pair in it and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by clicking on this little gear icon next to the device, choosing Forget, and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!